So I have my pile of clean towels right here. I've already folded a few. I'm gonna give you an example on what I would like for you to do when you're folding. These are small towels. This, also a small towel. Anything this size is just gonna be folded and put into the small towel pile. Right there's my small towels. So basically just half and half, and you've got your towel folded. One more time. So small towel, half, half, small towel pile, everything beautiful. This one is a medium towel. I'm gonna throw it in half and half again, and then I'm gonna fold it up. Notice it's kind of not very clean looking. It needs some bleach. This is a bright white towel, also medium, and I'm gonna fold it up. I did it two different ways, but if you notice, I've kind of got a medium, kind of scroungy, dirty looking white towels, and then I've got a medium with the white towels. So those are two different piles. Any of our solid colored towels, so if it's a solid color, even though this one's small, it's gonna go with the solid colors. So again, small towel, it is a solid color print. I'm gonna put it with my solid colors. So any solid colors. This black one looks like a medium. I'm gonna fold it up. Looks like it's got the bleach. And I'm gonna put it with my solid colored towels. So I've got solid colors, got my medium whitish ones, my medium white ones that are still pretty clean. I have some small ones, and then I also have print. So anything that's a medium size that has some sort of print on it, that also goes into a separate category. So those are our towels, and this is where we're gonna put them up. See if we can walk right over here. So we have our very large towels up at the top. We didn't fold any of those. We got some miscellaneous items. In this next rack, we have medium white. So those are all nice bright white. We got the medium whitish, so those are kind of dark. And then I also have green, red, blue, orange stripes. So any of those towels that you see right there, those are gonna go in the corner. Here's our print towels. So there's all those different little pictures on the towels. And then finally over here in the corner, these are gonna be all of our small towels. So let me grab the small ones. I'm gonna slide those right in there. Got my bright white. Bright white goes up here. The off-white or whitish. Stack those in as neatly as I can in there. My print towel. Got my chickens here. It's gonna go in there. Try to stack it as neatly as possible because they do get off kilter and then they all fall out. The last ones here, these are gonna go to the station in the front. So I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna place them right over here at the front station.